Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is located in a quiet neighborhood in the sought-after community of Bridgewater in Discovery Bay, St. Anne. It sits on over half-acre of land and is located about 5 minutes away from Puerto Seco Beach. The property has a front veranda, positioned to overlook and enjoy the Caribbean Sea. It has a covered garage and ample space for additional parking. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $330,000, or Jamaica $50.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.